Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So, actually, I have something. I don't know how to name this topic, but you will just get along while I'm talking or while I'm discussing this. Actually, it's about the signals. Remember, there is people actually who offers different signals or different mentors actually offering signals. But to be honest, it seems like it's difficult for those people who are taking those signals to be like successful or to be profitable as the mentor. Why is that? Why is that? Because you can see that actually on Instagram or on YouTube. Here on YouTube, mostly we'll see people saying that we took this amount to 100,000, we took this amount to 800,000, we took this 30,000 to whatever the amount, and they're not lying. They are not lying, but is their student also doing the same thing? I also actually introduced something this week saying that I'm going to take 2,000 to 100,000 within a specific time. You see, so but I start to realize that the way I trade, actually, to be honest, is not exactly as the way I send the signals, because actually the signals, like, it's fixed. It's fixed. Once I say it's a buy, if I send in the group and I say it's a buy, if the market just go against that trade, it's like, okay, that trade we actually lost, I have to send another signal. But personally, when I trade, if I see something that, if it happens like that, obviously I'm going to get out before even waiting for the market to touch my stop loss. So which means we're not getting the same information. We're not getting the same information. That's why we get the same signals, but more 80% of the time, people, they're not going to get it right. So, but what's the solution for that? I'm trying my best actually. I think this might matter most for people who are already in the team. So by saying, you know what, why not we have like interactive signals? Like now I have this. I started something from 2,000 to 100,000. And the worst thing is I can still reach that 100,000. But there's someone out there, there's a student out there, there's someone who's trading out there who is following me every day. The time I reach that 100,000, they won't even be closer to that. They won't be closer to that amount. Why is that? Because they get a different information. We say buy, they buy also, I also buy. But when things start to go in my favor or things start to change, I also have to change instantly. If I see that the market is going in my favor, I end up maybe scaling up. But maybe the other person, on the other hand, in the group, they don't really get that information that, okay, is that time we're supposed to scale up? Is that time when we're supposed to get out? You see, so now I'm creating a group, but this is a test group, but I think I know it's going to work. I'm creating actually a very interactive or engaged signals where instead of just using numbers, send buy this, buy that, we can still do that, but it has to go with something like a voice note or something. Guys, let's buy here and wait. Few seconds later, few minutes later, can we scale up? Can we do this? And exactly what I will be doing, growing the account that I will be growing, you will also do the same thing. And again, just to make sure that people get to understand that we're going to also have some few meetings, maybe once a week, just for everyone to catch up. But this group actually is going to be very few guys. I think maybe it shouldn't be that crazy big, but guys, if you seriously want, because I can see people joining, but I don't think they're making it from different groups, not only mine. So this group is going to be $100. And from there, we want to get to see the changes. I want to see the results. Obviously, you're trading to make profit. So if we trade for 2 weeks, I want to see your progress, because if I made something, you should also make something, because I will be telling you, can you scale up? Can you use this lot size? You know why I want a smaller group? Because obviously there's people with different accounts. Then if maybe it's Thomas with $500 account, I will say add scale up maybe with 0.05. Michael add up with 0.10, because the accounts will be different. So that will be like interactive. Like the signals won't be that as fixed as buy, sell, buy, sell. No, the signals will be like on your neck every day. I'll say, no, stop, let's close this one, we're losing this one, let's open, let's wait, let's do this, let's do that. And that, I think, it's something that can work, because I can see, I also have people closer to me. If I say just do this, do that, they don't actually get it right that much. So I have to be there and say, no, do this, and they get it right, and now we get the same result. You see, so to be in that team, guys, it's $100, because I'll be spending my time coaching you while I'm taking the trades. We can even go on the live sessions, but only us. I think maybe we can be 30, 40, whatever, it should be a very small group. So, and it started, actually, we started today. There's people who said they want to join. So if you are interested, or let's say, if you've been in like signal groups, even if maybe it's mine, but still you don't really see that change, yeah, I think maybe you can join this one. I think you have to, I think you can join this one just to see different ways of signals. Interactive, like we say buy, sell, instantly. I'll just use the voice note, or I will always use the voice note, so that people, they can easily catch up very quick. Let's stop this, let's close this, let's hold, let's do this. You need that, not fixed not fixed numbers like the market is fixed. The market is changing every second. That's why our signals at the end of the day, they don't actually work. Do you see that? So guys, I think even if you are in the group, even if you are in the signals, I think this maybe might help, because I can see now we are actually trying to grow another account to 200,000. But I know I will reach that. Actually, I know I'm going to reach that, but 90% of people who are following me, or which I do these signals with them every day, they won't reach that. Most of them, they won't reach that. You see, so I want us to have the same results. I want us to get the same perfect result. When I say buy, you buy. When I say close, you close. You're not going against, you do exactly as I say. We not say, oh, just because the take profit is there, I'm supposed to close there. No, you will be listening to me, and I'll be coaching you to reach that. I'll be helping you to reach there. So now, yes, you can join the number. I will make sure that I left my WhatsApp contact down here, and yeah, you can just talk to me. The number is limited. I don't actually have a specific number, but the number is supposed to be very, very small. I think maybe by weekend we'll be done. I don't know if people join by this Sunday, maybe they will be reaching the target that I want, or maybe next week. But just let me know, reserve your space, because this, I think, is gonna be, yeah, I think it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be very good. So what happened actually yesterday, or on the analysis, I see something just it makes me get angry. I'm getting angry because of this. What I see here, I missed the mark. I missed this. Actually, it's bad, but I think maybe just because I was attached to this, I thought maybe the market was going to respect this. But when the market breaks out, my mind was still consumed in this type of a downtrend, and actually we end up missing this type of a move, you see. So also checking too much news, sometimes that can also confuse. So we missed that, but it's fine. I think the market is no longer on that bearish momentum, so we will see what we can get during the day. So we can still expect maybe the market to come back and retest. If it doesn't really do that, it's fine. Maybe the market will give some other structures that we can still use. So I missed this one and I feel pain because I was still holding to the trades that I thought maybe they were going to go down, not seeing that the market was actually retesting there. You can see this was just a rejection and push up, and I missed that, and it's fine because I know that I'm not going to miss that every day, you see. So yeah, let's see other one because I don't really want to make this video very long. Later on, we're gonna go on our live session, but I think it's going to be on a trader Nick channel. So you see what I see here on USD is quite straightforward, I guess, because the market actually closed above this resistance that we have there. So let me just try to zoom that for you. For me, this one is quite straightforward. So yes, this one I think it will be pushing to the upside. We see it breaks out. Even here, it created some sort of a resistance. If we go on a smaller time frame, then that is going to be something that we can say, yes, we can start thinking about buying. But on top there, we also have some areas. You see this area, that might be some sort of a resistance also. But I think maybe the market has been selling. Maybe the market is ready to push to the upside, unless if maybe this breakouts, they're just trying oh, what happened to the video? Okay, it's fine. So yeah, let's push to the next one. Gold also pushed up. Sorry, let me just show you that. Gold pushed up as we also had some signals in there. Yeah, signal yesterday, actually. I also showed you that. So let's see something. GBP USD. Yes, this also is pushing up. That's great because it seems like the dollar is losing that momentum. So this is going to help the likes of NASDAQ and the other ones to actually do what? To actually push to the upside. So it's fine, guys. It's fine. I think maybe my camera is dying or something. USOIL also, we smashed this one. It's been on this downtrend for quite some time. So yeah, I think maybe for now this is enough, guys. So but if you want to be part of that team, just let me know. Let me know. Then yeah, we can just enjoy those signals, those interactive signals, not those fixed, like the market is just fixed. The market moves every second, so even the signals should move every second. Things should change every minute, right? I hope you understand that. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.